Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a secret bacon burger. Now, why the fuck is it so secret? Well, you see, before I started filming this episode, I ground some bacon and mixed it in with the burger meat. Approximately 2 pounds of burger meat to 1 pound of bacon. Easiest way to grind bacon is just run it through a food processor, pulse it about 5 to 10 times, whatever consistency you want, and you'll be jamming. I did that last night, the day before I filmed this, to allow the flavors to blend. I also added about a tablespoon and a half of ground powdered shiitake mushrooms to this. So, yeah, I wanted to give the flavors a chance to blend. And, of course, I mixed everything together in my KitchenAid mixer, popped it in a bowl, put it in the fridge, and it's ready for the next day. You can do it earlier than that, but I kind of wanted a chance for the flavors to blend. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm ripping off pieces to form 6-ounce balls. They should be about the size of a baseball, I think. Okay. And let's make a patty. This is my favorite way to make a burger patty. Put a ball in between 2 pieces of parchment paper and use a dinner plate, actually, to smash down, and you should get a nice patty like this. You might have to play around with the edges a bit, but yeah. All right, that's pretty much this. We'll season these before they go on the grill, and then season them once they're on the grill. So, yeah, let's go to the grill. Oh, one important thing, you have to use parchment paper for this technique, because if you don't, basically your burger meat will stick to the goddamn plate like glue. Okay, on a grill that's hotter than the halls of hell, it's time to cook the burgers. And yes, before anyone says it, lumped charcoal is probably the best option, but I was being fucking lazy. Jesus fucking Christ. The burgers are still delicious. I'm not a charcoal purist. I will concede, though, it's a little better. But what I'm seasoning them up here with is just a Chipotle burger seasoning that my local grocery store makes in-house. So, but you can use whatever seasoning you like. Or make your own, of course. But I really like the seasonings this place makes, so that's why I use them. Okay, and give these burgers a couple of minutes to cook. And probably be about 10 or so minutes. Remember, this time you do have to go to 165 because of the bacon in there. So, all right, we should be back when they're all wrapped up. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. And the cheese I used was 1 slice of pepper jack, 1 slice of American. And yeah, pretty much that's it. All right, let's take them in the house. All right, got the burger ready to go. You can see got a nice toasted bun there. Some butter lettuce on the bottom bun. Burger on top of that. Some nice pieces of fried salami. And of course, we need some pickles on this son of a bitch. But first we need to add a dollop of mustardnaise. That's just a combo of coarse mustard and mayonnaise mixed together. Really simple. I believe I've done a couple recipes with that in there, so check out my older videos for that. And then just add a couple of pickles, and that's it. Secret bacon burger. Done.